it's me, Ice. I hope you're all doing well. I just got back from work. I had to run home because it's gonna be raining for 2 weeks here where I'm at. So I just got home and today I'm just gonna unwind. It's a gloomy day, which I love to pieces. I love forest settings. I love anything gloomy. Anyway, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and I'm gonna make myself dinner now. It is around noonish, but I'm gonna eat early, then unwind. And I got a new body scrub from Amazon because what's her name? Is it Arnell? Probably Arnell. Yeah, she got me into that, so I'm gonna check it out. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my coffee every time I get home. Augie's with me, so if you hear a thump, that's Augie. He's on my foot. He's so sweet. I have Coffee Makes Natural Bliss oat milk. I use this Camille cold brew, which is the star of the show. Nicole Guerrero drinks this too. I think she got me into this. I'm not too sure, but and also I put collagen in my coffee. So it's Garden of Life's wild caught and grass-fed collagen with hyaluronic acid, so it really helps your skin. It helped me with my skin. I see a difference now. You know, so it gives radiant skin, hair, and nails. My nails have been growing. My hair is looking shinier. It's better, and my skin has just been more lush. In my honest opinion, I've been taking better care of my skin as well. Here's the glass that I use. We used to have two, but one broke because this is a delicate cup. I'm gonna put slowly put a couple ice cubes in here. Actually, take that back. I'm not gonna put ice cubes first. I'm gonna put my collagen first because it's really thick and it could get really sticky. So I put a good amount up to here, and I'm gonna dump that in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my coffee in here. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it in the cup, but you need to get one of these blenders as well at the same time. So I'm gonna show you, hopefully this will show. So I'm gonna pour and start stirring because it gets really thick. I'm gonna go ahead and stir that, make sure everything is mixed in there. You want that to really make sure everything's mixed in there. I'm gonna add my coffee mate. I like a nice caramel color, so just that amount, and there we go. Maybe a little more coffee mate wouldn't hurt. But yeah, I like mine's tea bitter. So I'm gonna let that stir. I'm gonna check again. Yeah, this is perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add my ice to it now. Be careful. This is all right. So there you go. That's how I make my coffee. My dinner. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna have for dinner early because I go to bed early. This is really nice to have. I like days like this. I want soup, but this will do. I love soup, but I'm fine. But this will do. the body scrub I got from Amazon. Arnell made me get it. It's the ultimate loofah alternative. It's a body scrubber. I have one. I got mine from Etsy, but I feel like the one I have, you put a soap inside, which I enjoy, but my soaps don't usually last too long, unfortunately, in the shower. Me not being responsible, of course. Here is the scrubber. I like it. It's very flexible. I was scared it was rough, but this is actually flexible. And there's this other part here. Probably you can massage like your feet, maybe. Avalana, forgive me. Body scrubber is an environmentally friendly exfoliating body scrubber made with 100% food grade silicone, making it safe, hygienic, and longer lasting from traditional loofahs. Wow, I didn't know that. I was scared it wasn't earth friendly, so to say. I'm excited to try this today. Ooh, it's definitely soft on the skin, which is a good thing, so I'm excited. Alright you guys, I took a quick nap and I did my skincare. I know I look a little red. It's normal when you do, you know, the rolling on the faces, what I said from before in my last video. So, and I think this is a blood orange. I'm gonna eat them on Amazon right now, and I'm trying to watch Suspiria. It's like a witch type movie, and the director was the same director who made Bones and All, which I watched, which I really liked. I'm having trouble watching it because it won't load. Whatever. I'm trying to watch it before I sleep. But other than that, thank you for hanging with me today. And it's raining. It's raining. It's going for 2 weeks, and it's been flooding, which is crazy. So I'm going to bed, sort of. I'll watch a movie, then sleep. Okay, bye.